Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make you the most delicious creamy yogurt with sour cream. Alright, first we have to start. You have to put the gallon of milk. As much as you please, you can put the milk. What we're gonna do, we're gonna warm it, and we're gonna wait to be 180 degree. Okay, or you will wait, you see when it started to go up, that's how I do usually, and I turn it off and I leave it. Alright, and then we will wait to cool off 115 degree. Alright, now the temperature reached 185. So we leave it just like this way until it cools off a little bit to 115 degree Fahrenheit. All right? Okay, now I want to show you it's already 115. Here we go. There we go. It's 115, 116, 14. It's that's what it is. So what we have to do is we have yogurt and we have a sour cream, which the sour cream that we have to put, it's gonna make very, very creamy, delicious yogurt. So we're gonna put at least 3 tablespoons like this, okay? And then we're gonna put another 3 tablespoons of yogurt. So we're gonna mix them together. Now this yogurt, I did it yesterday night. Always I say, whenever you do yogurt, just make sure that you have leftover, so you can for the next day, for the next yogurt to prepare, you'll have starter. So you just mix this very good with the sour cream. It's gonna be the most tastiest sour cream. So what you have to do, you just put this just like the way it is. All right. And you just mix it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Very gentle. And you leave it just the way it is. And then you'll put this on a heavy towel. It should be nice protected. You don't put anything on a stone or open place. And then you will cover it with the cover, strong that it's really will protect the thing. Now we have to cover it with anything you have, blanket, towels, whatever. Usually I put really blanket, but now that I want to show you, you have to make sure that the sides are really, really protected, and you will cover it with nice towel like this. Even if you put 2 of them, it's even better. It keeps it all the heat and the heat inside. And it has to be very, very dark, just like this way. Usually I do it at night and in the morning it's done. Now that I do it, I have to leave it until like 8 hours at least to become yogurt. And do not disturb it until next day. So let me talk about this yogurt, which I've done it the day before, yesterday. It's always nice when the yogurt stays at least for a few days, because it sets and it gets a little thicker. And anytime that you finish your yogurt, always make sure you leave it at least 3 tablespoons yogurt, so you can start again. You don't have to go market and buy it. You'll just buy your milk and you do it. And it will be so delicious that in no time. We use a lot. I always use it. I always make it at least every 3 weeks, sometimes every other week. Summertime we use a lot to make juices, to make food, and just eat like that with any fruit, sweets, whatever. All right, now this is the 3rd day. I want to show you the yogurt, that how it became concentrated, the one that we did with the sour cream. This is how it's going to look. It even stays on your spoon. This is with the sour cream yogurt. So this is what you do, and you wash some of your berries and you little bit decorate. And this is the way You offer your guest or you just eat it just the way it is. I'm going to taste it now and to see how good it became. I have to say it's very delicious. I don't think you will be able to stop to eat it. It's really creamy and tasty. Well, I hope you will love it. You'll try this and you're going to enjoy it. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Okay.